Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix GitLab login issues, account and verification fixes step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to the official GitLab sign-in page for your instance or GitLab.com. Check the URL carefully to avoid phishing pages and make sure the domain is correct. Verify your internet connection by loading another trusted site in a new tab. If the page behaves oddly, clear cache and cookies for GitLab in your browser settings. Try signing in again using a private or incognito window to rule out extension conflicts. Disable ad blockers, script blockers, and password manager autofill temporarily. Then retry. Confirm you are using the correct username or email address associated with the account. If you forgot the password, click Forgot Your Password and request a reset email. Open the reset email and use the newest link, because older links may expire quickly. Create a new strong password and avoid reusing previous passwords that GitLab may reject. If you do not receive emails, check spam, promotions, and any company quarantine folder. Add GitLab email domains to your allow list and ensure your mailbox is not full. If your account requires email verification, open the verification email and click the Confirm button. If the verification link is expired, request a new confirmation email from the sign-in page. Check that your device date and time are correct, because wrong time can break verification tokens. If you use two-factor authentication, verify the authenticator app times sync and enter a fresh code. If you lost 2FA access, use your saved recovery codes to log in and reconfigure 2FA. If you have no recovery codes, contact your GitLab administrator or GitLab support for account recovery. If you see account locked, wait for the lock period to pass and stop repeated attempts. Then reset your password to clear potential suspicious activity flags on the account. If SSO is enabled, click the Sign In with Provider button and complete the identity provider login. If SSO fails, sign out of the identity provider. Close the browser, reopen it, and try again. Ask your admin to confirm your account is active and not blocked or deactivated in the GitLab users list. If you are on a self-managed GitLab, confirm the instance is healthy and not in maintenance mode. If you are behind a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily or switch networks and test again. Review any error message text and copy the exact wording for troubleshooting and support tickets. If the problem persists, gather screenshots and timestamps and contact GitLab support or your admin with details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.